Yeah, people from the voice and what's that DJ for you know they on some mango hunting and I hear about blackie mango. So I see I go boat now. So when the dog them apply. See? Yeah, so we actually reach a tree now. So we're gonna show now what I'm going. Yeah. That's a J. That's my princess. I look here. Come here. Look here. My stone anyway. It's a lot chai. Call him, send him. He must stone mango. See there? Mango up in a tree. This is a Jamaican blackie country mango. So I wanna know blackie, I wanna go know it today. See it there? Yeah, so Mr. Skiller tree. I got jump up in a tree. You know what? That way I know. If I need that way forward. So you walk in a tree. Jump up boy. So them one that climb tree, them one that I walk the opposite way going in a tree. Reach up there now man. Them one that climb tree opposite way supposed to know. Hey, hey. Dog in there. Right dog them there. Nobody can fast to do your trouble with. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Yes, you're not safe yourself.
Oh.
Try mango now.
Blackie.
Yeah, see that? Blackie mango. Who don't know blackie seed yeah? These are the country blackie, not the town one. Yeah. Love where I live in, so I have to show it. So these are the original blackie. What do you get? Right. You say nice of yourself?
Blackie.
Good.
Dog.
What is that?
A dog.
Right, man, no. Mongrel him big like. Yeah, people, so reach a dozen of them. Reach 12, how much reach?
Yeah.
12. Yeah. Sweet. Watch it. Sweet. Supposed to juicy. Come on. The goat there, Zai, goat, Zai, goat. The goat there, the goat there. Wow, different. Mango, dude. Keep up here. Taste the mango, dog. The mango sweet. Watch out, people. Jesus Christ. All this was so sweet. Ready. So sweet, is I? Delicious. I like.
Yep.
I'm gonna tree a sort out mango, you know, man. No boy can come and say, a boy will feel like him bad. Hunting straight. You know you don't talk till I bite it. Hey boy, this is me.
That.
Love our fruits, you know. Nice, eh? Nice? Sweet. Yeah? Sure they may come out. Yeah, so we get a whole heap of mango. Yes, sir. Yeah, wash them out. Juice, eh? Nice, eh? Nice? Sweet. Yeah, so we done pick and I'm gonna walk a girl yard back. When we start dig with them, you know, nothing normal. How much you can eat?
All of them.
You can't eat the whole of them. I test it, no? So you can go on with it.